I love horse tack. And if you've been around for a little while or seen some of my other videos, I'm pretty sure you already knew that. So today I am really excited because I'm going to share with you a new tack company that I found here locally in Colorado, HB Tack. And this is what today's video is all about. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And before I get started in today's video, I wanted to share this with you. Isn't this awesome? This is so cool. This is a picture I took when we were on vacation in Hawaii. I know, I keep talking about it, but it was so much fun, I can't help myself. But this awesome canvas print I got from Posterburner.com. It's all one word, Posterburner.com. And they reached out to me and asked if I had a picture that I would like to have blown up into a huge print. And I was like, well, yeah. And at the time, I couldn't find a picture that I wanted to have blown up. Well, then we went to Hawaii. I took this picture and they made it into a canvas for me. This thing is so awesome. It's beautiful. This is a 24 by 36 inch canvas, and I really like it because the edges of the picture roll over onto the sides of the canvas, and the resolution, the quality is awesome. This came to me earlier this week and I could not be more happy with my picture. I took this picture, and then Posterburner turned it into a canvas for me. So shout out to Posterburner. Thank you so much for making my incredible Hawaii vacation something that I can remember forever and hang as art on my wall. And if you want to make your own art, you can go to Posterburner.com and have something like this made. And I know you will be so happy that you did it. Okay, let's get back to what today's video is all about. But I am going to leave this in the background because I love it. I love it. And that is sharing a new tack company with you, HB Tack. Now, HB Tack is a small but mighty equestrian company, and it was born from a passion for both horse and rider. Their mission is to provide high quality equestrian equipment at reasonable prices so that this wonderful lifestyle that we all love and sport is more accessible and enjoyable by more people. And like I said earlier, I am so fortunate that HB Tack just happens to be located in the state that I live, which is Colorado. And I was also lucky enough to meet the owner of HB Tack, Hannah Bloom, in person when I visited her booth at the Colorado Horse Park while she was at a horse show. And she gave me a few of her products to share with you. So I thought it would be fun to show you what I got, and then I thought it would be fun to try and make a commercial for HB Tack. That sounds kind of fun, doesn't it? I think so. So let's see what I got. Okay, so I love this. This is a black padded leather halter with multicolor rhinestones on the noseband and the cheek pieces. Now mine is in a horse size and it fits both frisbee and pleasant, but it also comes in pony, cob, and oversized sizes as well. The halter is a very, very nice padded luxurious leather halter with pretty rhinestones on the noseband and cheek pieces, like I said. And the leather is so soft and pliable. The hardware is chrome, and I really love how it looks on Pleasant. Now, I got mine in black, but it also comes in brown. This halter is beautiful, and I love it. And to go along with my black halter, I got a new poly lead rope. Now, mine is in black, and then it has a multicolor pattern on it, which I think goes really well with the rhinestone studded leather halter. And the lead rope is 3 meters or about 10 feet long, and it has a fancy quick release snap, which I really like. And next, I got this really nice bridle. This is a black leather bridle. It has a padded crown piece as well as a padded noseband. And it has some bling. It's got some rhinestones going across the brow band. Now this bridle has a comfort crown, which is padding that's on the crown piece of the headstall of the bridle. And I really like the padded crown piece for the comfort of my horse when he's wearing his bridle. And again, the leather is super soft and very pliable. It also has a padded crank style noseband, which I really like because I think that it adjusts to my horse's face shape a little bit better than the traditional nosebands do. And then to complete the bridle, I got a pair of black leather laced reins. Again, the leather is super soft, it's super pliable, and there are even martingale stops that are already in place on the reins. These reins come in black and brown, and I think they complement the bridle very nicely. Now, these are just a few of the things that I got from HB Tack. They have a lot of other products such as brow bands, stirrup leathers, horse boots, belts for riders, lots of other things that we as equestrians need. I am really impressed with the quality of their products as well as their prices. They have very nice tack, which is also really affordable. So you can have a really nice bridle or halter for your horse without having to spend a ton of money to get something nice. And because I love tack so much, and I really like HB Tack, I thought it would be fun to put together a commercial of the products that I got just to see if I could make a commercial of horse tack. Are you curious? Well, let's see how I did. Well, that was fun. I've never made a commercial before. Honestly, I think we need more tack commercials on TV. What do you think? Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other product reviews, horse-related videos, and DIY projects showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.